Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into OPPO A17. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down to the bottom and find System Settings. Here find Screen Recording option, and now scroll on the top. On the top we got our sound option. Record system sound, it's activate this option, and record microphone sound. This positional switcher is disables this option. So if you wanna only record microphone sound, activate this option, tap OK, and turn off this option, record system sound. If you wanna the same option activate, so activate this option by tapping to the switcher and click back to save. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.